In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a timeline view in Monday.com. If you're looking to turn your projects and tasks into a visually structured timeline, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve this seamlessly with Monday.com. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you can do so easily by clicking on the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the homepage. Now, for many of us who love the convenience of using one account across various services, you can proceed by selecting the Google Login option. Simply choose your Google account from the list, and you'll swiftly gain access to your Monday.com workspace. Now that we're in, it's time to navigate to your board. Take a look at the left panel on your dashboard, where all your boards are listed. Select the board you want to manage and bring into the timeline view. Once you've accessed your board, focus your attention on the top of the screen. You'll notice a plus icon situated there. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with a variety of options to add different views to your board. Among those options, you'll find Gantt chart view. The Gantt view is a fantastic choice if you need a detailed timeline display of your project's tasks. Click on it, and you're almost there. This will add a new perspective to your board, turning it into a timeline view with just a few clicks. Once you've selected the Gantt chart, you will automatically see your tasks and items displayed in this format. Keeping track of everything, from start dates to deadlines, will become notably easier as everything is laid out on a continuum. And if your project demands flexibility with time intervals, no worries. You have the option to switch between viewing days, weeks, months, or even years, depending on your project's scale and requirements. Now, let's say you want to add new tasks or items to your timeline. That's a breeze. Just look for the New Item button, which lets you add additional tasks directly onto your timeline. This functionality is perfect for dynamically adjusting as your projects evolve. And there you have it, a beautifully structured timeline view on Monday.com, guiding you linearly through your project milestones and tasks. With this setup, you can better manage your time, spot potential overlaps, and make sure every deadline is met with ease. Thank you for watching, and enjoy planning your projects like a pro with Monday.com.